Hello, Namaskara, Solmelu. Welcome back to Meghalaya series. Today we are visiting Krem Chimpe River Cave and Chimpe Waterfall. Reaching the cave and falls is not really easy. You have to first reach Kadum village base location and from there off-roading for 4 to 5 kilometers and then trek for one more hour to reach the cave. I would suggest to go on group trips. You can find a lot of communities nowadays where they travel together or tour packages. Uh, or you can talk to the locals before you visit these kind of treks or waterfalls, which is quite interior. The reason is you will not be able to find much of local bus or auto rickshaws or those kind of things. But locals are very helpful, so you can go talk to them and they will definitely guide you. The roads were so neat and clean, and the weather was so pleasant. The best part here was kids waving at you. They were waving at you with the loud smile. It was really fun watching them. One more thing what we noticed here was broomsticks. So you could find so many bundles of broomsticks hanging in front of their houses. So I think this is one of the main business what they run, and it was looking really cool. When we started the off-roading, we thought this is going to be super easy, but when we actually experienced the real off-roading, to be honest, we were all a little scared.
हाँ आगे वाली मैंने पूरा ले लिया ओ
This may not look very scary for most of the people, but those who don't have experience doing off-roading, it is quite scary and also very thrilling experience.
हाँ ये चलाना है जो ज्यादा ज्यादा है लगता खुदा का कोई एक इरादा है लगता फकीर दिलदार शहजादा है क्या मुझे प्यार एक इरादा है क्या मुझे प्यार है ऐसा गुमान है क्या मुझे प्यार ये क्या था Shit!
I personally enjoyed this ride and my group was super fun.
डायनासोर के अंडे ये हमारे डायनासोर के अंडे हैं ये डायनासोर क्या रहते हैं
We had to cross this tiny pathway, and all of us were very sure that we are going to sink.
Wow.
But
Look at
luckily,
the
we
clear
didn't.
water. Wow.
If you're shooting, please be careful with your
Oh my god.
phones or your gadgets and hold tightly because roads are really rough and
Talent.
make sure you don't cause problem to others as well.
आपके ऊपर ही गिरेंगे हाँ वो तो है वाह चढ़ना है आप यहाँ से पहले देख लो
Now, this is the place where they stopped us for entry fees. Because we were traveling with the travel agency, I'm not really sure how much was the amount. And one more suggestion would be please carry cash. The reason is you won't find much of ATM. GPays are not largely used here. So at least 3 to 4K cash is something what you would definitely need.
ओके पता नहीं अभी बोल
We completed our off-roading and then we started our 1 hour trek. It was where we had to climb a hill, and after some time, by the end, we had to get down again to reach the cave. I was surprised to see these giant rocks. It was so great. It was, I really don't know what to say. It was really a different experience. Now it's our time to go inside the cave, and it was not an easy pathway. It was very tricky, very slippery, and this was in the month of February, so there was no much water level. Water level was really less, but I don't know how the other months would be. Especially, I don't think so. During the rainy season, you will even get entry to this particular cave. So make sure to check before you uh, plan to visit the place. To enter the cave, you have to go with the guides. They have bamboo rafts. They even provide life jackets. If you're afraid of getting into water, then they will allow you to sit in the raft. They will take you to a point where you can sit, relax, and take photos. Also, don't miss to carry headlight. After this adventure, we headed towards our next destination, that is the waterfalls. And you don't have an option to change your clothes there. You can change your clothes only once you come to the base location. You can find a washroom and you can change there. So make sure to carry a towel. This waterfall is something which you cannot miss. It was something like you were walking to heaven, real heaven, pure joy. Look at this beauty. Swimming in this water was magical. Like the water was so clean, clear. It was a breathtaking experience. That's it for today. Tomorrow we will be visiting Fifi Falls and Dwaki River. Till then, take care.